what I love about the entire like working with the TVF universe is that we do a lot of readings, we do a lot of workshops, so we get everything right in the beginning.
You know, Gyanendra, when I see you do romantic scenes, I find you becoming shy.
Cute.
Which works for the character, because the character is supposed to be like that.
Yeah.
My question to you is, are you actually shy?
Even when we spoke about me changing in the car, it was my idea, but the production made sure that that car is safe and it is well covered and I am comfortable to change it.
I remember when I came to Bombay for the first time and I entered the mall, because till then Bhopal had no mall, and I entered the mall for the first time. I was, mesmerized and blown away. My body stuck and I didn't know what to touch and where to move and what to do with,
There's no line producer.
No, Pankaj is the line producer. हमने रेकी ऐसे करी है कि नमस्ते आंटी, नमस्ते नमस्ते, और नमस्ते वो आंटी चाय पिला रही है और मैं घर देख रहा हूँ, पंकज बोला सही है.
When the production is giving you so much and they are giving you that kind of security and protection, as an actor you want to do more.
All right, it's really one of my favorite shows across OTT streaming platforms, and it's back. It's back for a second season. And like all skeptics, I went on saying, can they beat the magic of season 1? I'm very proud to say that they have. This is Half CA, and it's back season 2 on Amazon MX Player. If you have the Amazon streaming app, which is the Prime Video app, you can also watch it there. And there are 5 incredible episodes, and I'm very pleased to welcome the director as well as the principal cast, from me, Rishike, everybody who's watching, everybody who's listening. Please go and give this show lots and lots of love. Pratish Mehta, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much.
Gyanendra, how are you, brother?
I'm doing well, bhai. Thank you.
And the wonderful Ehsaas. Great to see you, my dear.
It's always amazing to see you, Rishi.
All right, now I'm going to... Pratish, I've never asked you this question. I mean, are you a CS, a CA?
Yeah, I'm half CS.
You're half CS.
Yes.
So let me get your career track record straight. So you do your BCom.
Yes.
And then you start doing CA and then move to CS? Or do
No. You can do just CS. It's a different stream also.
Stream altogether, correct.
So I started doing CS when I was in second year of BCom.
Wow.
And
You can do that. You can do it along with your graduation.
You can do it with your graduation. Even most of the people do it just after 12th.
Okay.
Even before entering the college, you can give the first entrance exam.
Okay. So you started doing that in your second year, and then when was the point you said you want to give up?
Okay, so funny story. I never wanted to do it, but मेरा एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड था, वो मुझसे 1 साल छोटा है, तो वो फर्स्ट ईयर में था, और जब वो फर्स्ट ईयर में आया तो उसने डिसाइड किया कि मैं CS करूँगा. सो इट जस्ट गिव मी अ कॉल, लैंडलाइन होता था. उसने बोला मैं CS कर रहा हूँ, कल लास्ट डेट है. मैंने बोला मैं भी CS कर रहा हूँ, कल लास्ट डेट है. मेरा एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड था एक और, मैंने उसको फ़ोन किया, मैं CS कर रहा हूँ, कल लास्ट डेट है. हम तीनों ने मिलकर बोला ओके. और इंदौर में सेंटर होता था, उज्जैन में रहते थे. हम नेक्स्ट डे उठ के चले गए, हमको पता भी नहीं उसमें क्या. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मुझे लगता था कंपनी सेक्रेटरी मीन्स किसी CEO के पीछे एज अ सेक्रेटरी का काम करना होगा. फिर हम गए, मैंने बुक्स देखी, मॉड्यूल्स होते हैं उसमें, ऐसा 6 मॉड्यूल सामने आए, मैं घबरा गया. बट ओके, उसको शॉर्ट करूँ तो फिर उसके बाद पहला फाउंडेशन दिया, 3 में से 2 ने क्लियर कर लिया इंक्लूडिंग मी, 1 रह गया. उसके बाद हमने जो सेकंड उसका होता है उसमें 2 ग्रुप होते हैं, वो दिया. मैंने दोनों ग्रुप दिए और मैं दोनों में फेल हो गया. और मैंने सोचा कि चलो बेस्ट है, अब नहीं करना पड़ेगा, मैं छोड़ देता हूँ. और मैं 10 नंबर से फेल हुआ था. तो उसमें ना एग्रीगेट होते हैं, बेसिकली यू हैव टू गेट 40 नंबर्स इन ईच सब्जेक्ट, बट यू हैव टू मेक एन एवरेज ऑफ 50 ऑल टुगेदर. तो मैं वो एवरेज ऑफ 50 से फेल हुआ था. तो मैंने किसी सर ने बोला ऐसे ही कि एक रीटोटलिंग का फॉर्म डाल दे. मैंने भी सुन ली, मैंने पता नहीं क्यों एक रीटोटलिंग का फॉर्म डाला. उसका रिजल्ट आता है 4 महीने बाद. 4 महीने बाद मुझे अभी भी याद है, एक फ्रेंड का बर्थडे था, उस बर्थडे से हम घर आए. घर आके पोस्टमैन आया, पोस्टमैन ने गेट नॉक किया. मैंने बोला देख लिया यार क्या है, लेके आया. वो आया, उसमें मेरी मार्कशीट थी और मेरे 10 नंबर बढ़ गए थे और मैं पास हो गया था.
वाओ.
अब मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं खुश हूँ या दुख मनाऊं, क्योंकि अब मैं पास हो गया हूँ. तो मैं वो भी पास हो गया, तो मुझे फाइनल्स देना पड़ा. फाइनल्स में 3 ग्रुप होते थे, तो मैंने 1 ग्रुप दिया, मैं उसमें भी पास हो गया. और फिर मैं कंटेंट की लाइन में आ गया, तो मैंने देना ही बंद कर दिया. तो इसलिए मैं हाफ CS रह गया. और मेरा अभी भी
तो मतलब फेल होके नहीं आया वहां से.
मैं फेल होके नहीं आया, मैंने बंद कर दिया
टेक्निकली स्पीकिंग.
हाँ.
But obviously it's life experience counts when you're a director, and especially if you had first hand experience. Do you do that often on the show? when you're stuck at a particular point, in a very CA kind of thing, or I think the only person who's doing a CS in the show is Kavya's character.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I like the fact that Kavya actually explains to Gyanendra's character, saying, "Excuse me, this is a CA would not be complete without a CA."
Yes.
So I figured at that point that somebody in this show is a CS or a CA, and now I know who. So do you do that? I mean, at lots of points when you have technical problems, do you just walk up to Pratish and say, "Listen, would this happen in a CA's life or a half CA's life?" All the time?
All the time. In fact, there was never a point where I actually had to walk up to him and ask him a question, because he and the writers have made the entire process for all of us actually, that we never at any point felt stuck, because they were constantly there. They explained everything to us, and the writing in the first place is so smooth and it's so right there, that once we just read it and we had like a couple of readings, and
One of our writer is also CA.
one of
Yeah, I was going to ask you, do you have a consultant who comes on as a CA? Do you have a consultant
Yeah.
on the show?
No, not really. I mean, luckily, one of the co-writers is a first attempt CA, and she just ended up not pursuing it as a career, and she's just come to TVF, and now she's written a couple of shows. She's written another show called Sisters for me. So she had all the insights and he obviously being the CS. And obviously, I think more and more research was
We have
anyway
researched
done.
with so many interns, so many people who's working in Big Four now, and I have so many friends because C और CS goes along. मतलब ऐसा होता है कि अगर आप C नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो CS कर लिया, थोड़ा सा ही डिफरेंस होता है उसमें ऑडिटिंग
क्योंकि
करो
स्क्रिप्ट में प्रतीश आई हैव नोटिस्ड दैट देयर बीच में गिराया जाता है टेक्निकल jargon. For example, she walks out, Sas's character walks out of the exam, and this other guy walks behind her and he says, question number whatever, is this the answer? And she gives them a technical answer, saying, no, it's this answer. Or when they're going for an audit or there's a problem, when she's talking to the partners, there are lots of technical stuff discussed. So you've got to get that right, You don't want the actual CS to turn around and say, okay, aisa kar. So lots of research. You have people are
इसका क्रेडिट मैं एडीज को भी दूंगा. एक पर्टिकुलर एडीज होते हैं जो पूरा रिसर्च ही इस चीज़ पे करते हैं कि वॉट एवर शी और ही सेड वो टेक्निकली गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. इनके मुंह से सुनते हुए भी ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए ना कि फर्स्ट टाइम बोल रहे हैं. तो वो रिसर्च प्रॉपर होती है.
Gyanendra, when I see you do romantic scenes, I find you becoming shy.
Cute.
Which works for the character, because the character is supposed to be like that.
Yeah.
My question to you is, are you actually shy?
Yes, let me accept it. I am a shy person. But somehow when I'm in front of the movie camera, the shyness goes away. If the character requires it to be. But in life I'm a shy person. I am.
Yeah, I mean, I would imagine that if a beautiful girl like Kavya were actually to come into your life in real life, you wouldn't be able to tackle it as confidently.
Well, I have managed to tackle one very beautiful girl who's now my wife.
Oh.
So I'm not that bad.
How wonderful.
Once in a life.
Yeah, once in a life.
As long as you tackle it with the right person, that's done.
Yeah.
That's lovely. And Asas, there are so many things that I told you guys off the mic before this interview, saying there's so many things that spoke to me about this show. The biggest thing about this show is that it's very equal. It talks about equal representation of man and woman without Dindora Pitoing saying there is feminism involved.
Yeah.
And I'd like you to comment on that. And I gave an example of your scene when you and Kavya are sitting, Aishwarya are sitting in the beach.
Yeah.
And you say, when I clear my exam, I will start a firm.
Yeah.
In Nasik. It's all I.
Correct.
And suddenly that set me thinking, I said, how many times have I been with somebody who I'm supposed to say we to, and I never say we, I say I. It's almost subconscious in us.
Yeah.
And I think that is a great leveler in this show. It's never about the girl or the guy, And in that aspect, Archie's character, again, very empowered, takes no shit. So talk to me about that. Talk to me about the women empowerment without the so-called tough feminist kind of label, the very subtle undertone.
what I love about the show and the writing is that we have one of the protagonists is a female, is female, and nowhere during the course of the entire happenings we are talking about how there's a girl who's pursuing CA, how there's a girl who's working really hard, she's managing everything. It's about a person. It's about this student. It's about Archie as an individual. It's not about how she's a woman and she's doing it. And I think that the entire normalizing this entire thing and not talking about it and putting it in everybody's face that there's a female protagonist, or we are. It's also worked. Like, this is the first time I think in the entire TVF universe that we have a female protagonist, and the show's done very well.
Yeah, but
Hey.
having
Yeah,
said that,
Asas can take a lot of credit for that. And of course, Pratish.
Yeah, I think the entire credit again goes to Pratish and the writers for fighting and for making it happen, and again Amazon MX Player for accepting it, and the audience again for accepting it.
आई थिंक ये क्रेडिट क्रिएटर का है. मतलब अर्नाब सर ने बहुत पहले से ये सारी चीज़ सोची थी कि हम एक शो बनाएंगे जिसमें लड़की होगी, ये होगा, वैसा होगा, और ग्लैडली वो इस शो में भी हम कर पाए. तो ये सबका क्रेडिट है, बट मुझे लगता है सबसे ज़्यादा क्रेडिट एहसास का है कि जब वो सामने आता भी है तो जैसा कि उन्होंने कहा वो बहुत सही चीज़ है. कभी किसी ने ये चीज़ नोटिस भी नहीं करी हो, किसी के दिमाग में आया भी नहीं होगा कि यार इसमें तो एक लड़की प्रोटैगनिस्ट है. वो दोनों ने इतना इक्वली प्ले किया है कि वो एज ए स्टूडेंट सामने आता है.
And she's one of the boys when she's hanging out with the boys.
Yes,
in any case.
yes.
Sorry, Garend, आप कुछ कह रहे थे?
no,
about
I
this
was
whole-
just taking what Asas has just mentioned. It's amazing that you have really seen the show properly,
Ah,
and
so
you
much of detail.
Yeah, bringing out these details. But having said that, patriarchy is so layered and deeply, settled in our society, especially in men, that these small little things that we forget to say we. Instead, so much of I is there. And Kavya in one of the scenes says that don't think that playing ground is equal for both of us.
Yeah.
I said there's no limit for CAs. It's okay if you failed CAs. So she says कि limit तुम्हारे लिए नहीं होगी. But for me, my parents might not allow me to continue with her. So we have tried to put this politics, maybe because Khushbu is a writer, she is also a female, so subconsciously it has come. So but as you said, हम उसको preach नहीं कर रहे हैं, but it's not that we are oblivion to these facts or we are just.
Another thing that I really, really loved as us, and I want to talk about it again, it involves your character, is that often we misunderstand our mentors and our teachers. And आपकी कैरेक्टर ने तो मतलब थोड़ा डिग्निटी वगैरह दिखाया है, बट हम लोग तो गाली देते हैं अपने टीचरों को, मेंटरों को, कि मतलब कैसा ये फलाना है, ढिमका है, ये and give them galis. And then very late in life you realize that what they did was actually for your good.
Yeah.
Whether it was discipline or whether it was showing the right path and this and that. And honestly, your character with this another terrific actor, what's his name?
Sam Mohan.
Sam Mohan, huh?
The
Saurabh.
Yes, Sam.
Saurabh.
Yes.
Such a terrific actor.
Yes.
He has a pronounced South Indian accent, so I presume he's South Indian.
He's from Kerala, yeah.
He's from Kerala, yeah. And this whole dynamic between her, where the whole audience thinks of him as this evil ogre who's slave driving poor Archie, because you've built that compassion in our hearts, till she realizes that he's actually on her side, and I think that's a very, very fantastic relationship. And those dialogues from his side are very staccato.
Yeah.
Was that the way it was meant to be in the script, or did you guys have to work for it? Did you rehearse? Did you do multiple takes? Is my question. Because you put two polar opposites like him and you get to have a scene which is so seamless and working. I don't know how much work it took, or was it
I think
instinct?
Pratish would
Yeah,
throw
I think
a bit
Pradesh
light
is
on this.
better. But I would just like to add that it was very easy for us to perform and get it right. It obviously took a few takes and understand, but I think what I love about the entire working with the TVF universe is that we do a lot of readings, we do a lot of workshops. So we get everything right in the beginning, and then when we get on set, we get in costume and we get on set, we are in that environment, and it's coming out very naturally for us. So it becomes very smooth. And then again, the entire writing is right there. Like, it's so beautifully done. So we barely have to put in our thoughts, or even though it's very collaborative, but it's just like I am totally dependent on the director and the writers, and again the co-actor. The co-actor also has to be very reciprocative for us to perform and get a correct performance out. But
No, but I think it was writing for sure. But I think the credit goes to Sam also.
Yeah.
Because वो casting मतलब obviously Archie season 1 से थी. So I know how एहसास works, how Archie works. और उसके छोटे छोटे एलिमेंट्स हम ऑलरेडी क्रैक कर चुके थे. While casting for that role, एक चीज़ बहुत वो थी कि उस कैरेक्टर की बॉडी लैंग्वेज ही इतनी नेचुरल लगनी चाहिए कि आप उसको क्रैक ही नहीं कर पाओ कि यार ये अच्छा है या बुरा है. ये क्या डिलेमा है. ये बीच में कहीं रुक जाना चाहिए. और जब तक वो चीज़ इन द 4th एपिसोड समझ में नहीं आती है टू आर्ची कि यार he actually mean good to me.
And another way of looking at it is completely corporate. See, the thing with us in the media is, and I can speak for all 4 of us on that, is that as media people, we are vulnerable. We are used to showing emotion. हम झप्पी देते हैं, हम emotions की बातें करते हैं. But by and large, people who are technocrats and in the corporate sphere of life, they're not. They're guys like Sam Maughan.
Yes.
Yeah, they can't afford to be emotional on the
Yeah,
job.
you know, they're very stiff, they're very upright, they're very proper.
Yeah.
And I don't know, I mean, sure they have a wonderful personal life and they go home, they let their guard down, but that's how they are, you know, and I thought it was a wonderful way of recreating that. And again, you know, just stuff that spoke to me about this particular season again, like the first season, Gyanendra, is that, see, जो छोटे शहर के लोग होते हैं ना, वो बड़े शहर में भी आए और पैसा भी कमाए, but there's certain things which are part of their वजूद. Half CA season 2 doesn't spend too much time in cafes.
Yeah.
It's still, they still go to the beach
हाँ.
and they order chai.
Correct.
They still sit by a food truck and on the bench and they order misal pav or vada pav. Sometimes there might be a meeting which is arranged at a cafe, which is fine. Which I think is just
Special
terrific
occasions.
because the whole world is moving to cool, so-called cool cafes.
Yeah.
But the beauty of middle class life
Yeah.
is that, and middle class people all over this country, like myself, are going to love that. You know, it's, so I'd like you to react, to comment on that.
Yeah. Again, I'm so happy that I'm talking to you and somebody, you know.
I told you, you are going to really enjoy
Yeah,
this
we did so
interview.
many interviews
Yes.
in the promotional tour, but I'm glad that somebody is seeing show the way it should be seen.
Yeah.
And now, to the audience, समटाइम यू डोंट नो कि ये कैसे क्यों काम कर रहा है. बिकॉज ऑफ दीज एलिमेंट्स इट हिट्स यू. आपको मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, बट देयर वेरी फ्यू पीपल वुड बी एबल टू एक्सप्लेन कि क्यों अच्छा लगा, क्या रिलेट किया आपने. सो मोटा मोटा कह देते हैं लोग कि स्टूडेंट्स से रिलेट किया, CA कम्युनिटी से रिलेट किया. इट्स दीज इमोशंस, इट्स दीज डिटेलिंग्स दैट राइटर्स एंड डायरेक्टर एंड मेकर्स हैव पुट इन एंड ब्रीफ्ड अस एक्टर्स ऑल्सो अबाउट इट. And similarly, the casting was done keeping all these things in mind. Like there's nobody who is playing a part who has not seen a life of that sorts. So that also helps. So that is the reason half
But
says.
particularly for locations, I think we also belong from a city जहाँ पे हमने यही देखा था. हम मतलब मुझे अभी भी याद है, अगर आपको सीजन 1 का चाय टपरी वाला सीन याद है जहाँ आर्ची और आप आते हैं पहली बार, वो वर्सोवा के पीक एरिया में है और आप उसको कभी सोच भी नहीं पाओगे कि चाय टपरी यहाँ है. और हम लड़े हैं उस चाय टपरी के लिए क्योंकि वहाँ इतना ट्रैफिक था. बट देयर इज ऑलवेज, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि आपने इस चीज़ को डिटेल्ड आउट किया. पहली बार मुझे किसी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा है. हम सिर्फ एक बार कैफे में गए हैं, वो तब जब एक पार्टी रहती है कि यार आर्ची की आर्टिकलशिप है तो हम 1 BHK में जाते हैं. उसके अलावा देयर इज ऑलवेज चाय टपरी, ऑलवेज जूस, ऑलवेज रेडीज. इडली वाला सड़क पे होगा. क्योंकि जब मैं मुंबई आया, जब सब मुंबई हम वहीं गए थे, हमने वही देखा था. हम जहाँ से आए हमने वही चीज़ें. तो वो पता नहीं, वो पहली बार मुझे भी इतना फील हुआ कि हाँ वो इमोशन हिट होता है, वो जगह, वो सारी चीज़ें लैंड करती है अगर आपने उसको उस तरीके से दिखाया है. तो यार क्रेडिट गोज टू द प्रोडक्शन एंड एवरीवन कि वो बहुत बहुत सोच के वो सारी जगह हमने निकाली और हमने कुछ भी फेक नहीं किया.
हालांकि एज एन एक्टर शूट करते टाइम मुझे एक आध बार लगा कि यार हम बहुत बार चाय जैसी कॉन्वर्सेशन होती चाय पकड़ लेते हैं, तो ये ऐसा ना हो. बट देन प्रतीश टोल्ड मी कि यार ये आप लाइफ में चले जाओ अपने, हम यही करते हैं. मैंने कहा हाँ यार, यही हमारे अड्डा तो यही हमारे ना, चाय की टपरी या फिर कोई वड़ा पाव या साइकिल वाले जो होते हैं, वही हम अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं एज मिडिल क्लास उस टाइम पर. और वही जो स्पेस है वो जो एक्सेसिबल भी है हमको. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई केम टू बॉम्बे फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड आई एंटर द मॉल बिकॉज टिल देन भोपाल हैड नो मॉल. And I entered the mall for the first time. I was, mesmerized and blown away. My body stuck, and I didn't know what to touch and where to move and what to do with, so much of lighting, so much of grandness. So, yeah, I've seen that and felt it firsthand.
But you're not from Nasik, you're from Indore.
Originally, I'm from Ujjain. Yes.
But there is a lot of filming in Nasik. They're all from Nasik.
Yes.
There's Kher Sangri from Nasik. So, where does that connection come from? Who in the writing room is from Nasik?
No one is from Nasik. Our creative producer is from Nasik. So while we are shooting,
Name, please.
Pankaj Kothawal. Pankaj was from Nasik. So while we are shooting, the biggest challenge as a production always comes is कि यार shoot in Mumbai. Shoot in Mumbai, you will have locations. The expense are little less in Mumbai as compared to if you have to get the whole team to a different city and everything.
Traveling, lodging, body.
So, but I always want, me and the writing room and the creators always want कि character मुंबई से नहीं होना चाहिए. वो आना एक छोटे शहर से चाहिए, क्योंकि उसके बाद ही उसमें वो जो न्यूनेस है, जो आज ये बात कर रहे थे कि जब ये पहली बार मॉल गए, तो वही तो मैं अपने कैरेक्टर को भी दिखाना चाहता हूँ ना, कि जब वो पहली बार लोकल पकड़ती है, जब वो पहली बार ऑटो वाला उसको रिजेक्ट करता है, जब उसको नहीं पता कि अंधेरी से बोरीवली जाना कैसे है, और आपके पास लिमिटेड ही रिसोर्स होती है, आप ऐसा भी नहीं कर सकते ना बुक कैबिन को. तो इसलिए हमको था कि हम कहाँ से ला सकते हैं, और चूँकि पंकज नासिक से था, उसने बोला आई कैन मैनेज थिंग्स देयर, वहाँ हो जाएगा. वहाँ घर हम रिलेटिव्स के लेते थे, हम रिलेटिव्स के घर गए.
So there's no line producer.
पंकज इज द लाइन प्रोड्यूसर. हमने रेकी ऐसे करी है कि नमस्ते आंटी, नमस्ते नमस्ते, और नमस्ते वो आंटी चाय पिला रही है और मैं घर देख रहा हूँ, पंकज बोला सही है. और एज अ रिटर्न गिफ्ट हम बोल रहे हैं कि आंटी आपके घर को पेंट करके जा रहे हैं, ओके बाय. तो इट वॉज दैट क्लोज टू आवर हार्ट. पूरी टीम ने उसको उस तरीके से वर्क किया. और इवन द एक्टर्स जब वो भी आते थे, देयर आर सो मेनी टाइम्स जहाँ पे ऐसा प्रॉपर वैनिटी रिसोर्स भी नहीं होता था.
जूते बाहर उतार के, वी आर नॉट एंटरिंग इनटू अ सेट, वी आर एंटरिंग इनटू समबडीज हाउस.
शूट देखा नहीं है. तो जब टीम आती थी ना, तो वो लोग शॉक हो जाते थे कि ओ माय गॉड, यहाँ तो लाइट भी लगा रहे, अरे इन्हें तो हमारी खील काट दी, अरे ये कर दिया. और ये लोग एक रूम में बैठते, हम इनके साथ एंटरटेन कराते थे कि गाइस प्लीज एंटरटेन देम व्हाइल वी आर शूटिंग.
हाँ, देन विल कीप टेलिंग देम कि आपने वो वाला काम देखा होगा, उसमें भी मैं था, ताकि वो थोड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्टेड रहे कि अच्छा हाँ देखा है इसको. तो
But really, Preet and Parth and Vishal, these guys, they must be family to you now, Isas?
Yes.
Yeah? They must be your go-to people.
I always tell everyone that, in every show that I've done before Hafsiya, I've always had somebody who's bothered me on set, be it from the crew or be it from the cast. But this is the only show that everyone in the crew, the director and the writers again, but all my co-actors have been so nice, and they're just not just good actors, but they're such nice people that they've become very, very close friends of mine. Gyani and I are like, we might not talk every day or anything, but every time we meet, we have so much to catch on. We talk about life. There's so much that he asks me and I ask him. And then there's Preet and I, to chalo, we go a long way. We've shot together a couple of times. We know each other for a while. But Rohan and Anmol, who play
Vishal.
Parth and Vishal, are... I met them on set, and they're like two of my closest friends, and they're
Big
just
ups
so...
to Rohan Joshi, Anmol, continue.
Yes,
Closest friends, yeah.
Correct. They're such fun people to be around, and I feel like all of them are their characters. Like, Anmol is like Vishal. He's always doing masti. He always has jokes. Rohan is awkward as a human being, but he's also funny, and he's also very, very intelligent. Preet is a charismatic, charming hero in real life also. So whatever you see him play as Tejas is very real. So I think, like every time, like when just before season 2 shooting began, I was just very excited to be on set. And Pratish, again, he's one of those directors who, he's always under pressure on set. There's 100 things going on in him, but he will never let that, you will never see that bleed onto actors ever.
Yeah.
Like you will never realize how under pressure he is and how stressed he is, because he comes on set and he comes in with such energy, and he's just one of us. He's just a friend who's directing us, and you feel and instantly you feel comfortable, and then once you're comfortable, I think the performances come out right. So
And
yeah,
if there is a shot or once in a blue moon, if you feel that you have let him down, his expectation down, you feel bad.
Yeah.
Because this guy is so protective and so आपके लिए वो एक space create करता है where you can fail, you're allowed to fail and express yourself, and then he'll take all the blame. It's okay. Everybody is aware that we're losing time, or the light is going, or it's raining and all those things, but then you'll never see. I should have said all these things आपके पीछे, but ठीक है. So yeah.
Go on.
No, but which brings me to another thing which really touched me in the show is Neeraj Goyal's relationship with his father, with Mr. Goyal. And irrespective of what economic strata of society you belong to, छोटे शहर का हो, बड़े शहर का हो, गांव का हो, a parent mentality. And I said, wow, if I can be a father like that to my child and say, listen, I don't give a damn, you can fail, you can do the worst thing in the world, but this home is your home.
Yeah,
and you can come back
always
and
be my son.
And you'll always be my son.
Yeah.
It's terrific, because
Terrific.
what more security can you give your child? Saying कि बस तुम खून भी कराओ, कुछ भी हो जाए तुम्हारे साथ, but I'm there for you. I'll be there, stand. I'll tell you you're wrong, but I'll be there for you.
Yeah.
And that's also an evolution from season 1
Season
to
1,
2,
yeah.
because he wasn't like this. He had to understand, and he did. And interesting relationship there. Yeah.
Amazing, and I had great fun shooting with him. An amazing actor from NSD again, and
Mr. Sood, no?
Mr. Neeraj Sood.
Yeah.
And this time he had only a couple of days of shoot, but he ensured that I spend most of my time with him. So he took me to his hotel room, and then because he came only for 2 days and we were shooting for a longer period of time, so I think it was his trick to get me back to that relationship. So he took me to his room, chatted for like till 1 a.m. in the night, and next day when we went on the set, we were like as if there was no break in between. So,
wonderful. Both of you can take this actually, Asas as well as Pratish. Anurag Kashyap said something to me today which is very interesting. He said, I'm a filmmaker who used to make films about small town life, the life that I knew because I grew up in Banaras and boarding school or whatever it is, and on decent shoestring budgets, sometimes shoestring, sometimes a little more budget. And where I went wrong in Bombay Velvet is because I had a lot of money to spend and I went extravagant, and I've now come back. If you see Mukkabaz, Nishanji, I've come back to low budget films, high concept, and it suits my nature that I have that pressure. I find a lot of what TVF is doing is that, even though you've graduated from the so-called YouTube model, the philosophy is tell small town stories,
Very well said.
to tell them on a smaller budget. I'm not saying you'll be bad with a big budget. I'm sure you guys would do a great job. But is that more or less the philosophy thus far? Is
I
my
think-
question. And you've done a lot of work, so you can also take that one. Yeah.
No, 100%. मतलब Arnab sir, the creator of the show, always says something, one thing, that limitations में काम करने से है ना, हमेशा आप अपना बेस्ट देते हो, because you always come up with ideas, not with excuses.
Interesting.
So, see, whatever the budget of the show is, if I will give you, for example, 20 crores for a show which requires 10 crore, you will go haywire. That's what I think. Because then we will not be shooting her local train stuff Gorilla. Whatever we have done in season 1 is Gorilla.
You say I have the money, let's do a setup.
Yeah, let's do a setup, and it will not look this authentic.
Yes.
Also, all the Nasik stuff which I have told you, कि हम लोगों के ओरिजिनल घर में गए हैं, हमने उनको जाके देखा है, हमने उनको सच में ऐसे ही घर होते हैं. अगर हम सेट बनाने जाएंगे तो we will do it according to the lighting. DOP will say यार एक विंडो यहाँ होनी चाहिए, यहाँ से एक लाइट देता हूँ. जो मुझे लगता है नेचुरलिटी जो दिखाते हैं हम शो में, उसका बजट से लेना देना नहीं है. अगर वो शायद आप बड़े बजट में भी शायद ग्राउंडेड चीज़ें दिखाना मुश्किल होती है. जिस तरीके से ग्राउंडेड चीज़ें शो में दिखाई गई है वो सम और वॉट जो अनुराग सर ने कहा वो सही है कि वो आई ही इस चीज़ से है क्योंकि हमको दिखाना ही वो था. जिस तरीके से लोकल इवन ये जो बस में बैठते हैं, हम चलते नासिक के बस स्टैंड में गए, ड्राइवर को 500 रुपये दिए हैं. जो आसपास लोग बैठे हैं वो सचमुच उस बस से कहीं ट्रैवल कर रहे थे. हमने रिक्वेस्ट करा है कि सर पासिंग देंगे, अपना बैग लेके आइएगा.
And these are real passengers who are like doing.
आपको क्या लग रहा है मैं धोती में लोग थे एक्स्ट्राज? नहीं, वो धोती में 2 अंकल आए, वो चल रहे हैं और उनको नहीं पता था 4 टेक होने वाले ना. तो जब 4 टेक हुए तो दे वर लाइक ओके गो ऑन, वापिस कर लेंगे. हमने हेडलाइट चालू करके उस पर रुमाल लगा के लाइटिंग करी है, पर वो नहीं पता पड़ता. क्यों? क्योंकि हम वो मोमेंट फील कर रहे थे, हम उसको फील करना चाहते थे. शायद अगर ये हम सेट पे कर रहे होते, ये कर रहे होते तो थिंग्स वुड हैव बीन वेरी.
So add on to that, because big ups to you. I mean, I'm sure even as being a girl in the unit that way is not easy, because you're not always getting a vanity. For the boys it's a lot easier in India to go into a nook or a cranny or to do your business or to change and come out, and you've not thrown tantrums.
I just want to say one thing. I don't think कि उन्हें ये बात बोलनी चाहिए. ये हम बताते हैं टेंट्रम्स इन्होंने कार में चेंज किया है.
Wow.
हम चारों तरफ ऐसे कपड़े डाल देते थे और इन्हीं का ही आइडिया होता था. हम क्योंकि द वे वी हैव शॉट इज कि हम चर्च गेट से चढ़ें, हमें नहीं पता शॉट कब मिलेगा. जहाँ मिल जाएगा हम उतर जाएंगे, इनकी ड्रेस चेंज करेंगे, फिर वापस से चढ़ा देंगे. और ये फर्स्ट टाइम लोकल में गए थे तब, तो ये ऑलरेडी जो पैनिक कर रहे थे वो नेचुरल था. और पीपल नो हर. सो इन मिडिल ऑफ द टेक लोग आ जाते थे एंड शी हैज टू बी इन द कैरेक्टर क्योंकि लोकल आ रही है. ऑप्शन नहीं है अभी. अगली लोकल 5 मिनट बाद आएगी, पुलिस पकड़ लेगी. वो कार में चेंज करते थे. और सॉरी कैरी ऑन, बट वो क्रेडिट है इनका, वो 100% इनका क्रेडिट है. और
So good, since we're all saying such wonderful things about you. Yeah, so my basic question was that, the TVF ethos, the culture of this show, you fitted in seamlessly and you wanted to.
Absolutely. I think I wouldn't have it any other way. Honestly, like I think both of them very well said that when you want to make authentic, relatable content, you have to make it in authentic, relatable situations. The moment we are given a certain kind of a budget, it becomes, the scale changes, the look changes, performances changes, everything automatically changes. I'm not saying the big budget films are not entertaining. I mean, they have a different audience. But the kind of content that we want to make with Half CA, with Panchayat, with Kota Factory, it needs to be relatable, it needs to be real, because we're talking about those people.
Yeah.
We're talking about CAs, we're talking about engineers, we're talking about sarpanches and, people in a small town where there's Panchayat and stuff like that. So when we're talking about them, we're telling their stories, it's almost like a biography. So we cannot go, I don't know if there's a word called unauthentic, but we can't go unreal with it. It has to be in those situations, and I think even as actors it gives us a different but a very good kind of challenge to be able to play something like that, because it just shows our potential and it puts us in that kind of situation. And when it comes to like being a female on set and going through these kind of situations, I think the entire credit goes to the production, everybody, like the line producers and the production heads, for even if there's no vanity, but making sure that there is a changing room which is clean, or there's a bathroom, even if it's in a McDonald's or even if it's in a mall, they make sure that those are clean, they have those permissions and make it convenient for female actors.
Nice.
Like even when we spoke about me changing in the car, it was my idea, but the production made sure that that car is safe and it is well covered and I am comfortable to change in it. So they took very good care of us, and when the production is giving you so much and they are giving you that kind of security and protection, as an actor you want to do more. As an actor your performance comes out better. So I think the 100%. Production and everybody, also Pratish and everybody on set, they just made it possible.
And also I think the intent somehow gets across. As producers, I think this is my only show that I've worked with TVF, but intent comes across, that the intent is not to bother you or deprive you of all the things that they can provide. It's that, but they also want to take care of you. So sometimes that this is not as per the norms so called, but then they will keep you informed. So they don't take you for granted कि क्योंकि चल जाता है तो कर लेंगे, तो ऐसा भी नहीं है. So that is the reason that once you are informed and you know that intent is to make a good script and good film and nobody is there to bother you or pull you down, and then the actors are always there too.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the music. There are some interesting songs. There's one by a food truck where the rain starts and they go into an old school romance, Ehsaas and Preet. There's another one which is very motivational while they're studying,
Yeah.
you know. And Pratish has just told me that these songs are available on streaming sites. So go to your Friendly Neighborhood app and just type Half CA Season 2 and the music will come up. So there is a BGM composer and there's a song composer. So just credits to them.
Yes, 100%. From season 1, Arvindo is the BGM producer. सारी themes जितनी भी हैं हर character के लिए सब कुछ अरविंदो ने originally create की है. And from season 1 to 2 there are almost 7-8 songs. And 7 of them is created by Ravira. Lyrics is by Ravira, composed by Ravira, and sung by Ravira, sung by one song by Amit Trivedi sir.
कान में ऐसा नहीं लगाओ.
हाँ, one song by Amit Trivedi sir, one by Jishan Malang and one by Tushar.
How did the Amit Trivedi connection happen? I mean,
It's a very good story, and one song by Vishal Patil, which you were saying, that food truck thing,
Yeah, nice.
which was written by him, composed by him, sung by him. So yeah, Amit Trivedi thing happened very, very, very interestingly and very luckily, I will say. So we were creating that song for season 1, Sula, and Ravi came up with the song ki aisa aisa, and I have given him a situation that I need a song to start with a negative phrase, and then there will come 2-3 scenes, and then the song will go positive towards the end of the season. और वहीं सीजन खत्म भी होता है. तो मैंने पहले एक सॉन्ग लगा रखा था वहाँ पे और वो उड़ान का गाना था. तो मैंने बोला था यार समथिंग
Mrs. Trivedi.
यस मैंने बोला समथिंग लाइक दिस. ओके, देन विल कम अप विद द लिरिक्स एंड एवरीथिंग. रवि ने मेरे को अच्छा लगा लिरिक्स सोला वगैरह का और उसने बनाया वो. और वो मेरी आदत है कि यार थोड़ा कंपोज करके लिया, थोड़ा ना मेरे को सुनने में लगना चाहिए, मेरे को फील आनी चाहिए. उसने कंपोज किया और अपूर्व करके एक सिंगर था, उसने उसको गाया और सब कुछ ऐसा ऐसा और हमने लगा दिया उसको. फिर वन डे आई जस्ट टोल्ड हिम यार काश ही अमित त्रिवेदी गाते ना. तो उसने ऐसा बोला ट्राई करें. तो मैंने बोला यार पर वो क्यों करेंगे यार, बोले ट्राई तो कर सकते हैं ना. तो मैंने बोला हाँ बिल्कुल करना चाहिए. हम वाया हमने अभी तक किसी को नहीं बताया क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था कि
ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं
ये
है.
पॉसिबल नहीं है और बता दूंगा ना तो या तो बाद में मेरी खज्जी होगी और या फिर इतने सारे लोग इन्वॉल्व हो जाएंगे कि शायद ये हो ही नहीं पाएगा. तो मैं और रवि लगे रहे और हमने बहुत कनेक्शंस के थ्रू फाइनली अमित सर को रीच कर लिया. और उनका ये क्या है, गाना भेज दो. गाना भेजा. पहली चीज़ हमने बोला गाना, दूसरी चीज़ हमने बोला सर बजट हमारा इतना नहीं है, मतलब
जितना आपका होता है.
मतलब मेरे को पता नहीं आपको
होता
क्या होता है
होगा.
पर मैं इमेजिन कर रहा हूँ अच्छा होता होगा, तो नहीं है. तो उनका रिप्लाई है कि पैसे मांगेगा मैंने.
स्वीट.
तो मैंने बोला ओके. और फिर उनका रिप्लाई उन्होंने सीधे डेट भेजी, दिस डेट दिस स्टूडियो दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड सॉन्ग. तब तक भी बिलीव नहीं था मुझे कि दिस डेट दिस स्टूडियो ये होने वाला है, क्योंकि जो स्टूडियो उन्होंने बताया था ऐसे एक छोटा सा स्टूडियो. मैंने बोला वो आएंगे यार रवि स्कैम है क्या कुछ. और उन्होंने बोला वॉट एवर यू गाइज वॉन्ट टू पे, वॉट एवर यू गाइज वॉन्ट. उन्होंने कोई सामने से वो नहीं रखा. हमको भरोसा ही नहीं हुआ. हम गए स्टूडियो में बैठे हुए, वो सामने से वॉक किए, ईयरफोन्स ऐसे वो वाले भी तार वाले ईयरफोन्स लेके आए. ऐसा मुझसे पूछा हाय मेरे को एक बार दिखाओगे कहाँ लगाया है गाना, सिचुएशन दिखाओ. मैं बैठा हूँ, मैंने सिचुएशन खोली, गाना दिखाया. उन्होंने लेट्स गो. फॉर 4 आवर्स तक वो रिकॉर्ड करते रहे उसको, डिफरेंट थिंग्स. और द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट हिम इज रवि इज अ न्यू कंपोजर. उन्होंने उससे पहले कभी उसके साथ काम भी नहीं किया था. एंड इज लिसनिंग टू हिम एवरी सिंगल थिंग रवि सिंग सर लाइक दिस, ओह गॉट इट डन. एंड देन आई विल जस्ट से सर एक आपका वाला कुछ दे देना, एक मतलब एंड में थोड़ा एक लंबा लाप या एक लंबा ऐसा, और ऐसे करके उन्होंने कर दिया. और मुझे आज तक बिलीव नहीं
क्या बात है. It's karmic, all the fruits of your labor and all the goodwill that you guys have got. Okay, time to wrap. I'm just going to ask you a non-half CA question. What's the last vacation you took, Ehsaas, and where was it? And what did you do?
Ooh, the last proper vacation I took was I went to Himachal.
Nice.
To Spiti. I
Spiti
think
Valley.
I told you this in the last time.
You haven't gone anywhere since then.
Imagine.
You hard-working girl.
This is the question he asked me last time. For last
Yeah, I
time.
always like that. I always
It's
like to
almost
end
been a
with travel
year.
destination. I always love
Yeah,
that. I mean,
and I told him the same thing, and I have not traveled anywhere after that.
you haven't
It's
even done a
shame.
weekend to.
No, I've done a weekend. Like I went to Goa in Feb, and that was really nice. I mean, I've also. I want you to come watch it. I do theatre now.
Very
yeah,
nice.
Yes. So I do this show called External Affairs. By A.K. Various, Akarsh Khurana and Adhar Khurana. Akarsh Khurana.
I love them. I love them. I love them to
yes,
death.
He's
In fact, we
producing-
had Anurag Saikia in today, who does a lot of music for him, for Mismatch and this and
Right.
that. And we were just talking about what a teddy bear he is.
He's
Akash.
amazing. So he actually and his brother Adhar, he's the director of the show. They somehow got me to do theatre and do live shows for the first time. I've never done theatre in my life, and it's just been such a wonderful experience.
It's amazing, no?
Yeah.
Reacting to a live throbbing audience as opposed to an
It is-
inanimate object, which
it
is a
has
camera.
changed my life. I have such I love performing live. So anyway, we had a show in Goa, and that's so we stayed back for 2 days, and I went to Goa. I went to Karjat like last month. So I've done short trips like that, but a proper trip. Like I want to go to Italy. I have my Schengen visa with me. I'm not getting the time to go. Like I'm not getting the time. It's going to expire in October, and it's just that I have it for 3 months. It's just I'm
And
not.
people will say you have to make the time, but it's not that easy.
It's
you have
not.
to say
It
no
is-
to work, which is so
yeah.
difficult.
I can't say no to work. So
Gyanendra, I hope your life has not been as hectic.
No,
Last
no, no, no.
vacation.
I've been to Landor, this place.
Oh, very good. Of
It's
course.
a beautiful place, and
same.
yeah,
Sorry. I also
Yeah.
went to land. Forgot about
yeah,
it.
and I love the vibe of that place.
Ahead of Mussoorie, it is.
Yeah,
ahead of
ahead of
Mussoorie.
Mussoorie. Yeah,
Mussoorie.
so yeah, I quite enjoyed that.
Lots of. Are you a mountain person or a beach
I am a
person?
mountain person. Yeah.
So lots of walks in the
Of
forest.
course. And those vintage shops like चार दुकान है और वो सारी चीज़ें जो कि आपको पता चलता है कि अच्छा ये कैफ़े शॉप 100 साल पुराना है एंड आई लव दीज प्लेसेस विच हैज़ अ हिस्ट्री और जब आपको लगे कि अच्छा मुझे तो खंडहर भी खड़े होते हैं ना कहीं पर अबैंडन जगह तो मैं रुक जाता हूँ एक बार देखने के लिए कि इसमें किसी ज़माने में कोई रहा होगा
Correct. The walls speak.
Yeah.
In a lot of ways, it speaks.
तो
So
I love those places.
they've retained a lot of heritage stuff
course
in
they
Landor.
have,
Huh?
yeah.
Fantastic. Wow. Pratish,
Just a short trip to Goa last weekend or something.
But you went to Dubai. You went to Singapore.
Then I went to
Singapore, you
Dubai,
went to-
Thailand.
no, but Goa this time is off season
yes,
time,
yes,
so it's just
off-season
raining all day.
Yeah. But
Did you manage to get into the pool?
Yeah, gladly it
Or
was
back,
not
or
raining
beach, yeah.
for those 3 days. But yeah, just a short trip before the release of the show and also.
Yeah. So what do you do in rainy Goa? Do you still go to the beach?
I'm really that kind of a person who don't like to rush everywhere. कि you have to touch that also, touch
Yeah.
this also.
मतलब होटल रूम में लेट सकते हो
होटल
तुम
रूम में
आराम से।
मैं मतलब इस वाली ट्रिप में भी ये हुआ कि जिनको सुबह जाना था वो सब चले गए और मैं सिर्फ अपने पूल में अकेला हूँ
Very
और मैं उस पूल में रहा और उन्होंने बोला हमको वो कैफे जाना है और मुझे वो सब इतना कैफे वैफे इतना सब पसंद नहीं है तो मैंने बोला ओके यू गाइस गो मैं पूल में अकेला ही लेटा रहा 3 घंटे तक और फिर जब वो वापस आ गए मैंने बोला शाम को कहीं चलना होगा चल चलूँगा बट देन आई रियली लाइक टू वॉच सनसेट तो मेरे को सनसेट प्लेस बहुत पसंद है ऑल्सो आई एम अ माउंटेन पर्सन बट वो ट्रिप लग नहीं पा रही माउंटेन क्योंकि माउंटेन टेक्स ऑलमोस्ट 10 days यू हैव टू ट्रैवल फॉर 2 days 3 days एंड देन सो या जस्ट अ शॉर्ट ट्रिप टू गोवा
That is that. Half CA Season 2 is streaming on Amazon MX Player, also available on Amazon Prime Video, the app. Please go watch it. 5 lovely episodes. If you've not seen one, might be a good time to binge watch both together, yeah? Thank you very much, Gyanendra. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Pratish, and
Rishi. It
thank you,
was a
Asad.
pleasure talking to you.
Thank you. It was
Thank you.
lovely talking to you.
94.3 Radio 1.